Okay, folks, you read the title and you was right. Listen, we doing a Crockpot Mac and Cheese. Oh, and did I mention it's creamy? Let's go. Okay, so look, here what we're gonna do is we're gonna multitask, right? So I got my water already boiling. I already put a couple of pinches of salt in there. This is 16 ounces, now we just add it. Now, we don't wanna cook this all the way. This is gonna be key. I just wanna cook this. We want it to be al dente because it's gonna cook in the crock pot, but check this out. We're gonna go about 2 minutes under that. So read the instructions on your box for al dente and then take 2 minutes off of that and that's gonna be your time. Now what I'm doing is I'm just gonna pre-shred my cheese, right? So I've said 1,000 times, you guys, listen, we wanna pre-shred our own cheese. So listen, if you buy it like this, you get much more, shredded cheese and it doesn't have that waxy film on it, So ultimately it's actually cheaper. So when you get it, just shred it down and put it in the Ziploc bag and you'll have it. And then we're gonna do our mozzarella the same exact way. Now I like this blend, you guys. I want you guys to try this blend and let me know. So I'm doing 3 part, 1 part. All right, so my timer went off. Let's turn this off. What we want to do is we want to stop, and shock it. We want to stop that cooking, process, right? So I got a colander in here. We just go ahead and get that in there like that. Now hurry up, turn on the cold water. Make sure all that's dumped. Right, and we stop it here. I just don't want it to be, you don't want your, your pasta to be like mushy. Right, so just go ahead and hit it just like this. Stop it, and then we'll let it drain, then we put it in the crock pot. All right, so we got mozzarella. We don't need a whole lot, right? So remember, okay, so I said 3 part, 1 part. That'll mean 3 cups, 1 cup. All right, so we shredded. We got everything ready to go, right? This is really like a dump and go. It is a little bit of prep with your pasta, so now we'll add, our elbow pasta, right? Next, we're gonna add our cheese. So I'm gonna give it a little bit of a sprinkle here. I like to sprinkle mine instead of just dumping it in, you know what I mean? And then we'll start adding our, our sharp, cheddar cheese. All right, so now I'll just give this a mix because we want to get cheese all down in the bottom, right? Now, don't forget, the full ingredient list is on my website. That's Smokin and Grillin with AB.com, and that's WITAB.com. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cube these, probably like in just 1-inch pieces, right? So we just cut them like this. This helps it melt nice and even, uniform, folks. You always want to cut whatever you're doing, even when dicing, you want everything to be the same, especially when you're doing, potatoes, stuff like that. So that same principle works for the cream cheese. All right, now I just melted down my butter. Now we'll add that. Our half and half. And then our evaporated milk. Right, now, the evaporated milk, the cream cheese is where we're gonna get our silkiness from, along with the cheese, right? So, I have all of those done. Now I'm getting ready to come with my seasoning, right? Now again, don't forget, the full ingredient list is on my website, Smokin and Grillin with AB.com, and that's WITAB.com. Right, and then we can't make no dishes without us adding salt and pepper. All right, so we'll just give it a generous pinch of salt. And then now we just grind. And then I put just a little bit of this onion powder, because we kicking it up with a little bit of flavor. Don't need a whole lot. Okay, so we hit the power. We're gonna set this on low, and then we're gonna set it for 2 hours. Okay, so if you wanted to know what I was gonna do with that, or should I say with this bacon, thick cut, cherry wood. Look at this right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it down just a little bit. You know what I mean? I like to get that bacon everywhere, right? So we do it just like you see. It's up to you, whatever sizes you would like, but this right here is a good size. Now, let's walk over here and take a look at this crock pot. All right, so everything is, my timer went off. It sets itself to warm, but you see that right there? Oh man, I wish you guys could smell it. You know what I mean? But this is what I'm talking about, right? Now, here's a pro tip. If you use 2 cans of evaporated milk, you might have a little, you should have some left over. I'm gonna show you what we can do with that. You can actually add that to it if it was too thick. Depends on how long it stayed in here. You know what I mean? If you wanted to like thin it out, but you want to see a creamy mac and cheese, that's it right there. And then from here, I like to go ahead and just add some of my bacon bits to it. Now you guys know that's completely optional. For those of you guys that don't have pork, you know, you don't have to add that to it. I just like that flavor, you know. Okay, so now you see it. This is how it is. Now don't forget, the bacon part, that's completely optional for those of you guys that don't do the pork. You know what I mean? But the bacon just gives us like a little added little, you know, flavor to it. And then, you know, we raise it up with the profile doing, you know, putting the seasonings in. And then I ain't gonna lie to you, but this right here is the one, folks. Now I hope you guys love these crockpot videos. This one right here don't take all day. We can do this in 2 hours, right? Maybe 2.5. Anyway, check it out, do it. Let me know down in the comment section below what you guys would like to add to it. You know, tell me about your favorite mac and your seasonings. Now, with that being said, listen, if you're new to my channel, let me take this time to say thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, and tell everybody out there, there's a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. And you know what I'm about to do? I'm about to divide this into 4 and sit down and have me some mac. I'm out. Peace.